This is Enklave. I am Mumtaz Khan. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. 0337 981 5894. If you want to get any information of Bحریہ Enclave, I can provide you the information. You can call me on my number. My other number is 0300297196. I will help you out. Invest in Pakistan, invest in Bحریہ Enclave. The best time to invest in Pakistan. Time to invest in Bحریہ Enclave. Invest in Bحریہ Enclave, invest in Pakistan. The beautiful Pakistan. Come to Pakistan, stay here for some time, invest in your own country, invest in Bحریہ Enclave, Islamabad, for your future. You can come here, you can start your business here. State agency, offices, sale, purchase, construction. You can buy heavy machinery to use here. You can give it on rent. You can make money with that. It's time to invest in Bحریہ Enclave. It's time to invest in Pakistan. So I promote because I love Pakistan, and I know every Pakistani loves Pakistan. The circumstances never remain same, they go on changing. Street 49, Sector N.